TV Patrol. One TV Patrol. One TV Patrol. One TV Patrol.
NCIP ilalom na sa pagdumala sa Office of the President. Ana karon sa pagdumala sa buhatan ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos ang NCIP o National Commission on Indigenous People. Matud pa ni Indigenous People Committee Vice Chair Konsehal Dinky Suiso ng NCIP kanhi anaa sa pagdumala sa Department of Social Welfare and Development. Gibalhin sa pagdumala sa Office of the President ang NCIP gikan sa DSWD gumikan sa nagkadiyang aktibidad nga giatiman karon sa DSWD labi na ang Southern Luzon karon kapila nagiagyan og bagyo. Mipatuman matud pa si Presidente Marcos og usa ka administrative order ilalom sa iyang pagdumala aron sa tuyo nga mas matutukan pa ang mga programa o kampanya sa mga indigenous people sa tibuok nasud.
Last Tuesday, Madam Chair, the Office of the President Bongbong Marcos signed an administrative order that NCIP is now under the Office of the President. Before, it was under the supervision of the CSWD, and because of the tremendous focus targeting the indigenous people's rights, President Ferdinand Marcos transferred the NCIP under the administrative supervision of the Office of the President.
For what reason?
Last Tuesday.
For what reason?
For reasons from CSWD, because they are handling so many affairs and concern, they wanted to have it under the Office of the President so that they could focus on the upliftment and strengthening and empowering our indigenous people's community, Madam Chair.
One TV Patrol.